Hello everyone. Today I will explain a fundamental concept in data structures. Like this is a question from ISRO CSE 2016. So question states that the average number of key comparisons required for a successful search for a sequential search on n items is. So sequential search is the simplest searching technique. We go through the array one element at a time from the beginning to the end until we find the target value. If it doesn't require sorted data. It is useful when data is unsorted or small in size. So what happens in a successful search? Let's assume we have n elements in an array and the element we are searching for does exist in the array. Now the key idea is we don't know where it is. It could be at the first position, last, or anywhere in the between. We assume uniform probability the element is likely to be at any of the n positions. So how we calculate the average comparisons? If the element is at position 1, we make one comparison. If element is at position 2, we make two comparisons and so on. So if it is at position n, we make n comparisons. To find the average number of comparisons, we take the sum of all these comparisons and divide by n. So the average comparisons are 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to n divided by n. So we know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 is the sum of n numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So average becomes n to n plus 1 by 2 n. On simplifying, we get the final answer as n plus 1 by 2. So this is the average number of key comparisons for a successful search. For example, if there are 5 elements, the average comparison would be 5 plus 1 by 2 is 3. So on an average, we find the element at the third position. So let's have a quick recap. We are doing a successful linear search on n item. Each position is equally likely. The average comparisons are n plus 1 by 2. So here option C is the correct answer. In the worst case, the element is at position n. So we need n comparisons. In the best case, if the element is the first element, so one comparisons. But for an average, the formula is n plus 1 by 2. So thank you so much for listening. Let me know if you would like to go deeper into unsuccessful searches. Uh, we will cover other gate or ISRO questions in the next video. Until then, thank you.